Hello and welcome. Today we're working on how to remove duplicates in like a mailing list. So somebody the other day asked me a question and they said, look, we have at church, could be at school or whatever, we have a list of families and we have a list for each of the family members. So for example, the Smith family has John and Mary. The Jones family has 3 members, Kayla, Hunter, and Caitlin. And the Roberts have 4 family members, Becky, just 1 person, and then other ones. And so how do you figure out, how do you get rid of a duplicate? We don't want to send a letter to both John and Mary or an email to John and Mary. And so we want to count these as family units or family IDs. So one thing that they had a number that was just, I think, randomly assigned, but they had a family ID, and the family ID is kind of the important thing here because there may be more than one Smith that is in a different family. For example, John and Mary Smith is different than Adnan Smith. And then cities could be the same and it's not unique. So how do we do duplicates and get rid of duplicates and make it a list of just one for each of the family units? Well, the easiest way to do this is to go over to the data ribbon. The data ribbon over here, it says remove duplicates. Now, my list has headers, and so what happens is we want to select them all and take them all off, so we're deselecting all of those, I guess. And so now I want to do it by family ID, and we'll hit OK. And now we have 7 duplicates found and removed, 6 unique values remain. And remember, we had Nash Norris twice. So let me undo and let's look at it. One thing that we can do is, if you want to preserve your original copy, then make a copy and then do the remove duplicates. But let's look what happens here. Nash Norris has been in there twice at number 11 and 13. So we want to make sure we remove that, and because we have 189 and 189. Another way we can do this is kind of as we get started, we might want to sort by family ID. So let's do filter and let's do sort ascending, and then you can start to see, okay, this is family 182 and family 189. You can see that Nash Norris is in there, or Norris Nash is in there twice, right? And so you could duplicate that before you even see. But we don't want to duplicate, one of the Smiths or duplicate one of the Jones, because these are all 3 members of the family. So let's go back and do one more time the remove duplicates, and we're going to do it by family ID, and we'll see we have a list of only the first person selected in each of those family IDs. We have 6 different family IDs, and we can send an email to these 6 families. You don't send it to all 4 members of the same family. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.